Hello guys! Welcome to my channel, and for today's video, gagala na naman tayo. Let's go! By the way, for those who don't know me, I am Honey. Yes, you hear it right. Honey Bunny. So, I'm living in Montenegro for more than 2 years, and I decided to make a vlogs to share what's life, living, and working at the same time in another country. So today we're going to part of northern side of Montenegro. Yes, and malayo siya sa city. It takes like 3 hours or more than, depends sa pupuntahan nyong city. So, Montenegro is part of Balkan country. Ano nga ba ang mga kasama ng Balkan countries? So, isa na dyan ng Albania, Bosnia, North Macedonia, Kosovo, and Croatia. By the way, bago tayo dumiretso sa northern part ng Montenegro, nadaanan muna natin itong Ostrog Monastery. So, isa ito sa historic church ng mga lokal dito sa Montenegro. So, normally, ang religion nila dito ay Orthodox. And there is some Catholics as well and Catholic churches. So, Ostrog Monastery is a Serbian Orthodox church. Kasi before, ang Serbia and Montenegro ay one country until they get independent. Isa rin ito sa mga dinarayo dito like religious person or yung iba naman kung gusto nila mag-hiking kasi there is some area to hike also. And since I'm traveling with my friends and she is Catholic, so we just decided to pass by before we go to proceed of northern part. So hindi na ako gaano nakapag-video since filming and pictures is not allowed inside since this is a church. So yeah, I just show you around what it look like outside. Alright, it's ready. Whee! So right now we're heading to Shavlak, which is one of the touristic place in northern side of Montenegro. And we're visiting also Termitor National Park. Actually, it's a lake, but since it's still winter, so it's like icy land. You can do ski, I guess. So, for some reasons, nagloka yung sasakyan and we need to stop over and waiting for someone to help us para madala sa auto service. And yeah, we're waiting there. And yes, hopefully sana maayos yung sasakyan. So, right now, we're in Sitanje, where is the auto service is. And finally, after waiting for like a few minutes, everything's fine. Now we continue the journey. Syempre, hindi tayo papaawat. Kailangan natin ituloy ano man ang mangyari. So, hinapon na nga kami niyan since we have to go back in Sitanje. Since before we're in Ostrog, so we have to travel like 1 hour going to Sitanje and we have to go back going to Shavlak. So, we wasted like 2 hours. And since winter, maaga pa yung pag-sunset niya. I think it's like 5 p.m. sunset na. But look guys, it's worth to wait. Dito pa lang sa daan, nagyayelo na talaga siya. Look, actually this is my second time going here, pero ito yung kahit medyo late na buwan, pero super icy pa din ang daan. But we're not lucky enough because wala siyang snow that time dahil naging sunny days for the fast days. Pero kung umuulan pa that time, probably yung ulan pag nandyan ka na sa northern part, magiging snow na siya. But still look, it's worth it. Yung view pa lang, super ganda na. Imagine, pero guys, sobrang lamig. It's like 4 degree. Just giving you some advice and tips since malayo ang biyahe, much better magdala kayo ng anything, food, drinks. Though meron naman mabibilihan along the way, pero much better kung meron na rin kayong dala para hindi na kayo pa stop. And para sa mga mahihiluhin sa biyahe, alam nyo na, magdala na kayo ng mga pangontra. Kasi yung mga daanan, hindi biro. There's some area na super curve yung pagligo niya. And talagang mahihilo ka, pero worth it naman. I mean, kung meron naman kayong mga pangontra, carry, we can manage. Look guys, napakalapit na. Para tayong nasa Switzerland. Alam niyo yung mga Alps? Super ganda. Nasa malayo pa lang, kitang-kita mo na yung beauty ng bundok. Yung bundok na nag-ice dahil sa mga yellow niya. Nag-ice pero nag-yellow. Ano daw? Wow! Welcome to Switzerland. Hindi, Montenegro lang yan. Ano ba? Char! Pero look naman guys! Super icy niya. Oh my God. Kung titira siguro ako sa ganitong lugar, oh no, hindi ko kaya. Super lamig niya guys. Kasi lamigin akong tao, so I don't think so that I can survive. Siguro kailangan ko ng heater wherever I go. Pero look, kung bibisitahin mo lang siya for once, twice, oh no, super worth it. The view, the panoramic view, so good. Para tayong nasa Switzerland, hindi man makarating pero look like. Habang nanginginig tayo, no?
Diba? Habang sila yung balot na balot tayo, ganito lang.
Reality check. Mahirap maglakad sa yelo, guys. Look. It's hard. Welcome, Javak! So, ayun ang mga person. Sige, post! Grabe, may speechless ka na lang talaga sa sobrang ganda. Kung dati, sa TV ko lang nakikita yung mga ganito. But, right now, it turns into reality and thank you, Lord, to experience this wonderful moment. This is one of the best experience in my life. Sa lahat ng naging mga struggles at mga pinagdaanan ko sa buhay, masasabi ko ang isa ito sa reward ko for myself. So, keep on going. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Ciao! Adios!